In January 1959, 9 Russian university students were mysteriously killed while hiking across the Ural Mountains in what is now known as the Dyatlov Road accident or the Devil's Road incident. Before we start, I ask you to subscribe and like the channel and activate the bell button to receive all new arrivals. The story begins on January 31, 1959 AD. 23-year-old adventurer and skier Igor Alexeyevich Dyatlov and his team of 8 professional skiers who were students of the Ural Polytechnical Institute embarked on a trek to reach the summit of Otorten, in the northern Urals mountain range. Snow covers the place throughout the year and the height of the mountain is about 1,000 meters. But before setting off, Yuri Yudan withdrew from the adventure due to the conditions of his illness, and the friends continued their journey without him, and due to the bad weather conditions they decided to set up a camp on the edge of the mountain so that they did not go down all the distance they climbed in the hope of completing their adventure for the day next. However, several days later the bodies of the young men were found. After that, a group of cameras and daily notes were found, and the leader of the group, Igor, had agreed with the climbing club to send a telegram when they arrived in the Vyazma area on February 12th. And no one was concerned about the absence of students. Delay is common, but on February 20th, the students' parents demanded a board the rescue was searching for them, and the body was made up of volunteers and soldiers from the army in that period, the Soviet Union before it dissolved, and on February 26th, the student camp was found. Their tents were torn, but all their belongings were cameras and their daily diaries as they were, clothes and shoes, but what made them? They flee from their tents, naked. The bodies of the students were found in the vicinity of the camp, and the investigation began on the bodies that were found. And the investigation ended that the death was a result of low body temperature, but after the rest of the bodies were found, this belief did not last, as they were mortally wounded and their skin turned orange and their hair turned gray. A very high level of toxins was found in their bodies, including 2 bodies that were contaminated with radiation, 2 of the ribs were smashed, and there were fractures from the inside without wounds, which added to the mystery of their killing. It is strange that one of the bodies was without a heart, and another there was a cut in the chest, and the other without tongue, and astonishingly, there was no trace of the snow on their feet. And the investigation ended that the death of the young men was the result of an unknown force, and the case was closed quickly after the intervention of the Soviet government led by Stalin, and the very secret file was closed. And it is strange that one of the Rescue Corps personnel, he wrote a novel entitled The Devil's Way that tells what happened, but he was later found murdered in his car. And no one tried to open the accident file, and it was closed completely. One of the most prominent theories explaining the occurrence of an avalanche, and there is another conclusion by conducting nuclear tests that led to their deaths, and some I think that the legendary creature Snowman who killed them, and some said that it was a brutal attack from a mysterious creature, and after the collapse of the Soviet Union the case was opened again, but without any success, and remains stuck without any little explanation greater than